Hi everyone, this is Govind Raj from Dubai. I am an investment banker and a business consultant by profession. I have the privilege of knowing Surojit for more than a decade. We worked together on corporate strategy and organization development in my previous organization. Surojit is a man with new ideas, passion for doing something new, and giving back to the society. Thanks to Mrs. Saha's vision and the dedication, today we have a wonderful venture called School for All. Surojit and his young team is leaving no stone unturned in making it a global company. And I am sure with the new concepts they are coming up with and with the keen passion to make a difference in the educational system, very soon this is going to be a reality. It has spread across Asia and now they are starting in Middle East as well. We are in an interesting time where education is undergoing a lot of change. Relevant questions are being asked as to what is the benefit of learning something today and how we can make it valuable to be it the corporates or be it to the society at large. So there the focus is shifting from getting some answers by heart to applying it in the real life. So it becomes very important for the educational institutions to spend all the energy in making the course relevant and practical. So there comes another challenge as to who will take care of ancillary activities to make this successful, leaving the management to focus on the core education. And there the answer is School for All. So here you have a wonderful team who takes care of entire thing right from conceptualization to getting the different parts of ecosystem working. Okay. And what more, Surojit and Mrs. Saha together has adopted couple of hundred students to as a demonstration to show that they mean what they talk. I wish all the best to School for All and hope to see them soon in Dubai and other parts of GCC. Thank you. All the best, Surojit.